My name is Dr. Stephen Long. I work at Animal Medical Clinic over on the East Coast of Florida. I've been trying VetScribe for a couple of months now. We attempted to use other talk-to-text type technologies similar to what you may know with Dragon. Then we started to use VetScribe. And the way that VetScribe was different is it was on your phone. So we just have to click a recording, which makes it a lot easier, not just for myself, but a multi-doctor practice where we want to make sure all of our notes are in so that if I'm off work and somebody else needs to see my notes, that we're not waiting days at a time to have it in there, or they have to call me when I'm not there and I have to try and walk them through what I did and what I found. So it's definitely useful for all of those reasons. And another one is it's less time consuming. I would say on average, I probably take about 10 minutes to write my standard notes. Taking that extra 10 minutes every single time, it starts to add up. With the dictation software, my average is probably 2 to 3 minutes. It can take a lot of load off of my shoulders personally when I end up dictating it. Their AI software generates everything, so you can actually go down and scroll and see everything that you just said. What's unique about VetScribe is they combine the AI software with people. It's very useful for my exams. The other thing I think it's really useful for is interpreting x-rays or client communications. Doing this between appointments, you don't really have a lot of time to write that 5 to 10 minute communication, but taking that 5 to 10 minutes typing turns into 2 to 3 minutes of VetScribe because you can just talk through it, and then they go in and they upload it as a client communication. So overall, I personally am really satisfied with VetScribe. I think it is something that is really, really useful, and if you or clinicians that you know or your practice feel like you're losing a lot of time sitting there typing, or you're spending your time at the end of the day catching up on notes, which isn't as great because you may forget a few things or maybe didn't write that one thing down, I would say give VetScribe a try. I can tell you that for myself, it's worked really, really well, and I have saved plenty of time doing this. Again, 10 minutes versus 2 to 3 minutes. Multiply that by the patients you see per day. I think you're going to see a lot of time saved and a lot of success, and overall, you'll probably be a lot happier.